Welcome out to Tackle Trading 7-Step Guide to Trading. My name is Coach Matt. It's a pleasure to be with you for this video series. Now, by way of introduction, and I want to quickly do this as I want to get into exactly what the 7 steps are. I am an entrepreneur, been an entrepreneur pretty much my entire life. I'm a trader, I'm an investor. I've been a trader and investor since 2005, 2006. I'm also the founder and co-host of the Trading Justice podcast, a 5-star rated podcast on iTunes. Also a trading coach and mentor. I've also been a trainer for many years, and I'm the founder and CEO of Tackle Trading. But my most important role is that of a father and a husband. And with that said, let's jump right into the actual 7 steps. First one is we want to start at the top of the market. We want to determine what our bias is in the market, and we want to make sure that our portfolio and specifically our trading is always moving the direction of the greater market. There is an old cliche in the market that the rising tide raises all the ships. Well, the rising tide is that of the actual S&P 500, the NASDAQ, the Dow Jones, the Russell 2000, those broader market indexes, and you want to analyze those broader market indexes to determine what your bias is to the market. And then once you have determined what your bias is in the market by analyzing the trend and pattern, you then go on to step 2 and you choose the appropriate strategy for that condition. You have bullish, bearish, and neutral strategy. You also have conservative versus aggressive bullish, bearish, and neutral strategies. So if I'm bullish in the market, I want to choose a bullish strategy that matches what the market's doing. If I'm bearish in the market, I want to choose a bearish strategy that makes money based on what the market is in fact doing. And once I do that, I move on to step 3, which is find and analyze potential trades. And as you go through step 3, there's a lot of ways to find trades. Number 1, you can go out there and scan the market. There's a lot of different lists out there, but at Tackle Trading, we provide what we call scoundrel reports on a weekly basis in every major market, the stock market, options, forex, and forex and commodity market. And with those reports, we're analyzing all the best technical setups in the marketplace so that you don't have to do that. And I'll walk you through that in step 3. Now, once we find potential trades, we got to plan the trade. We got to get our entry price, our target, our stop loss, and we'll walk you through that in step 4. Once we plan the trade, let's go ahead and execute that trade by placing the order into our broker. And then step 6, we got to manage the trade. And managing the trade, for the most part, is especially from a directional perspective, because that's what the 7-Step Guide to Trading is. It's a swing trading, position trading style guide. If you want to manage the trade, we're talking really about making decisions at our targets, adjusting stop losses, scaling in or scaling out. But for the most part, in step 6, we're going to focus on adjusting stop losses and managing those trades from a directional perspective. And then we move on to step 7, which is to journal the trade. And journaling the trade might be tedious, it might be boring, but it is absolutely vital that you keep a track record and know your broker software is not good enough, that you keep a track record of your trades so that you can learn from the things that you're doing really well, and you can learn from the mistakes you're making. But if you do not journal your trades, it is impossible to learn from those successes or those failures. And so let's go ahead and journal every single one of those trades, and I'll walk you through that in step 7. So sit back. I hope you enjoyed the intro to the 7-step, and I hope you enjoy the entire 7-step guide to trading, the PDF, the video modules. And if you do, share it with somebody else. Tell a friend. Tell somebody you care about. This has been Coach Matt for Tackle Trading. Next step is step 1.